guys, it's Avila. Today's video we're going to be talking about dating. Let's get right into the video. This is an amazing topic. I really wanted to choose this today because it's a lot of fun talking about dating and girls and boys, how we get together. So yeah, I would love to talk about this topic. Like this video if you do too. If you're looking for the one, first off, shouldn't be looking. You should just let it happen naturally. This thing that I've been hearing a lot lately and have also taken this advice is being in your most highest version of you. So it's funny, I've seen a meme recently and I actually don't know. I'm wondering if I could find it. If I do, I'll put it here. But anyway, it's a meme and it's of this hot mess girl, right? And she's like, I want the one. Like, I want like my guy to have this, this, and this. And yet she's a hot mess. I thought that was so funny. And I've seen another meme kind of sort of like it. I've also heard quotes similar as well. If you are having expectations for this dream guy, yeah, if you're expecting to have this partner, right? This perfect partner, you might also want to be said perfect partner within your own life as well. We as people should strive to be our best selves and not have the expectation for just this perfect person is just gonna fall right into our lap. We need to put ourselves out there. We need to put our best foot forward and be the best that we can be. Another segment of this video that I want to speak about is the law of attraction and abundance. So in this beautiful universe, you know, I'm out here in nature and there's abundance. There's just so much abundance everywhere I look. And this past winter here in Texas, we got a crazy snowstorm and it killed all of the plants and, you know, the trees. A lot of the trees were bare. One of the most amazing things about nature is its abundance and new growth. In every tree that you could look around, there's tons of new growth. And this is sort of a simile that I want to do here with your own life. So I want to help you guys see that if you guys feel like you're dormant and you're not your best self, realize that you could just water your garden, and in your garden, your life, you could actually see sprouting up abundance. And that is one of my favorite things about the universe. If you are liking this video so far, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me. So yeah, guys, dating. So I peeled off around 6 months out of this past year. Well, actually, I'll say last October leading into, you know, springtime and the summer too. So during that time, I actually took the initiative for me to focus on dating. So some of you guys might know that I took a year break from dating and I decided to date myself. And it was so amazing. I took myself out on dates and I would go, you know, places. I would just kind of like be me. So throughout this time, I had a chance to kind of learn more about me. And then leading into this past year, I think we all kind of felt this energy of us all as a collective. We're feeling this energy of kind of wanting to like reach out and like, you know, touch faith and, you know, like reach out and learn how to connect again because, you know, as we all know, we had been going through the lockdowns and the, you know, social distancing and figuring out ourselves now after this new segment of our lives here in the 21st century. I think all of us were a little rusty on, dating and getting out there. Some of us, I had talked to a lot of people, wasn't sure about meeting people in person, so they just hopped on dating sites. Some people were really getting out there and like putting themselves out there and trying to reach out and connect with people. For me, I would say I did a little bit of both. I tried some online dating. I tried some, meeting people in person, meeting people through social medias. But yeah, throughout that, I had learned a lot about myself. I'd say the number one top thing I learned about myself would be self-worth and my true value. The second thing that I learned about myself during this stage that I really focused on dating, because it's important to relate to others and meet people and fall in love and have an open heart. So that was big for me, and I really learned a lot after I settled down a little and realized, hey, this little time segment here that I've peeled out for myself to just dive into dating, that needed to simmer down, and I needed to really take a second to become more of my best self. So I learned all that I needed to for the time being, and it really brought me to this place where I am my best self. And of course, there's going to be layers and layers and layers that you're going to be unfolding, learning more of who you are and how you relate and how to pick and choose. So I would say that if you're interested in dating, definitely connect with someone. Attraction is important, yes, but also we cannot forget connection is important. We are very much metaphysical in this physical realm. So like, I touch you and you touch me and we're all physical, right? But there's more than just that. So we have our chakra system, we have our metaphysicality, we have our spirits, and we have our passion, emotions, and all of that. That being said, guys, be more open-minded to assessing for yourself. So my grandmother, when I was younger, she always used to talk about discretion. And as I got older, I learned the word discernment. And for discernment and discretion, they're very similar. These are two things that you definitely want to be using during your dating and during when you're meeting people. So you want to have the discernment for, is this person connecting with you well? Are you sharing like-minded interests? Do you guys feel the same about politics? We're going to get kind of, sticky here, guys. But it's a reality. Politics is a sticky subject. And for me, I will just simply say that I do not follow politics. I do not follow news. The ways that I get my information is by word of mouth and seeing here and there, but I'm not too interested in, waking up and just filling my energy with news and all of that. So in other words, for an example, if I were to meet someone, this person would also have to be at least at the same wavelength as me as far as that subject. It is a sticky subject, and my mom and I were just talking the other night. She's a little older and she's dating in her age range. And she was letting me know that, there was a person who was kind of steadfast on his beliefs, but kind of didn't want to hear hers at all, or didn't give her the space for speaking about her beliefs as far as that sticky subject, politics. So, that obviously manifested into something that didn't work out. It's important to get that information from someone that you're dating. And the next thing that I want to talk about for when you're dating, and that you definitely want to find out right away, is, are you guys compatible in your personalities? So is this person that you're dating, whether it's a guy or a girl, is he or she kind to you? Are they wanting to hear what you have to say? Are they truly caring about what you're saying and also caring about your feelings as you speak. Airplane is gone. So for my empaths out there, I want to share with you that this would be the exact moment that you can pick up on any red flags or cues. For example, my mom was talking to a person that she was, just starting to date. And of course, she figured out real sooner than later, that she didn't want to date him. He turned out to be an insensitive type of person in various different ways. So for empaths, this is huge. Listen up. You're going to want to tell and discern for yourself right away if this person is a compassionate person. Most likely when you're on a date with someone or when you're hanging out with someone and they are not compassionate, or they're focused on their phone, or they're rude and they're cutting you off, or they, just want to get their words in and they don't really have an interest for what you have to say or your feelings, that is a red flag or a cue to this might be someone with personality defects. And for lack of better terms, we'll use the N word, and this is narcissist. So we want to be careful and cautious when we step into the dating world. And this is so important. You want to take a look for yourself. If the guy or the girl is attractive, great. But you certainly don't want to get intertwined with a narcissist, especially when you can choose for yourself right away what works or what doesn't. You don't want to get trapped into a relationship that's going to take a long time to get out of. And lastly, have fun. You guys, it's dating. Have fun. Go out, do something more than just silly movie and dinner. If you're going to go see a movie with a guy, or if you're going to go see a movie with a girl, this means you're not going to be talking, okay? Most guys, I could tell you ladies, most guys don't want you to talk during the movie. Of course, they're going to be polite about it, and they should be polite about it. So have fun. Go do something silly. Go for a skydive together. Go to iFly and fly together. Have fun. It's awesome. You get to really see each other in your best light. You get to see each other having fun. A part of having fun is being your true self. So it's important, guys, girls, don't hide who you are. Don't suppress who you truly are. I could tell you from my experience, it was not serving me whenever I decided, I'm shy to talk about my spirituality, or I got these psychic abilities, but how do I tell a guy that? Is he not going to like me? These were some things that I really did have to learn about. I had to learn to be in my own skin and be in who I am, truly who I am. Guys, I got psychic abilities, and I'm not afraid to share about it anymore. And it's one of my greatest qualities. I can help people. I could actually help the person I'm with by being able to see things from all different types of angles and see things sort of ahead of time. We'll get into that in another video. I guess you would define this more as a clairsentience, where you can just know things. And how do you know that, Avila? I just know. Anyway, so these are the things that you want to think about when you're dating. Don't be afraid to share who you are. If you're a clair and you're a girl and you have some clair abilities, like if you're clairaudience and you can hear things. There's someone that I recently did a podcast with. His name is Joe, and he can hear angels. And that's an amazing thing. I can only imagine in the dating world how much gumption and strength you would have to be able to share these things right away. And have some discernment for, right times and right moments to share them. You want to do it in a way that's graceful and do it in a way that is understandable, relatable. I could tell you I'm not the only gal out here who has these types of abilities. It's an amazing thing to be out there about it, to not be afraid to share those things anymore. And that, I will tell you, that will benefit me in the long run, being able to share who I truly am and share myself and not be nervous or shy. Because, being the shy girl it's cute and all, but I could tell you from my experience, it didn't serve me well. It's not going to serve you if you're going to be shy about who you are. Take that from yours truly. Practice it in your life. Maybe tell a friend. But yeah, guys, so that's a couple ways that you can be your best self and make a real try for it when you're dating, and make a real effort at actually being who you are and putting your best foot forward, so that this way you're going to be attracting your more matches. So you're going to be attracting people who are more like you. If you're not afraid to hide who you are, then you're also going to meet people who are not afraid to be who they are. Be fun and free and whatever you want to be, then you're going to meet the same type of reflection in that. So remember, guys, if you want something, you must be it first. If you want something out there, external, so if you want to enjoy the pleasures of a potential mate or partner, you definitely want to use the laws of attractions. There's tons of videos out there. You can look up different techniques. You can look up how to become that yourself, because one of the big ways of law of attraction is you definitely want to be this person. Be the person you want to be with. Be the person that you want to love. So you love yourself and you love who you are. Accept who you are. Accept your everything, anywhere from looks to your personality to your flaws and your, strong suits. Accept them all and love them all. Strive to be the best you that you could be, and then you will have that perfect partner come into your life naturally. You guys will seek no more, because I tell you, if you use these tips here, you definitely will be attracting someone more like you. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it and you want more of this, definitely let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you like these types of videos where I talk more about cool, fun subjects like dating and love and law of attraction. Let me know in the comments below. If you guys are interested in following me on Instagram, I can leave that over here. And have fun, y'all. Have fun. Merry dating. Enjoy your dates. All right, bye.